Okay, let's try the rest of this circle analytical geometry question. It says, calculate the coordinates of A and B. Well, we've got the equation of this circle, and A and B are x-intercepts. So all we do is we take the equation of the circle, but we let y equals 0. That's how you find an x-intercept. Well, that's 16. You take it away from 25, you get 9. Take the square root of both sides, you get x plus 6 equals plus or minus 3. So there's two answers. Minus 3 is where B is, and 0, and minus 9 and 0 is where A is. Determine the equation of this line right here, BC, the tangent line. Well, we've got to get the gradient of MB first, and the gradient of MB is just 4 minus 0 over minus 6 minus minus 3. Well, that's 4 over minus 3. It's minus 4/3. Well, the gradient of BC, if it's a tangent, the tangent's perpendicular. So we need to tip this over and change its sign. There's the gradient of BC. And we know that it goes through y is 0 and x is minus 3. We just put it into the gradient point formula, and we get the answer. Y equals 3/4 x plus 9/2. That kind of 9/4. It looks like it hits up here like that. That looks reasonable. Write down the coordinates of C. Well, we know that C fits on this line, but the x value is minus 6. So all you do is take the equation of this tangent line BC and put in minus 6. When I did that, I got minus 18 over 4 plus 9 over 4. I got minus 9 over 4. There's the coordinates of C. Now calculate the size of angle ACB. Well, if I could get the angle of inclination, this big angle here of AC, and take it away from the angle of inclination of BC, I'd have my answer. Well, this gradient we've got, the gradient of BC, we've got, it's 3/4. But the gradient of AC, let's just figure it out. It would be it'd be 0 minus 9 over 4, 9 over 4 divided by minus 9, minus 6, I get negative 3/4. Now, all you do is find the angle of inclination. So you go the tangent inverse of minus 3/4, and you got to add 180 because it's a negative angle, minus the inverse tangent of 3/4. I put that in my calculator, and I got that this big angle here is 106.26 degrees. And I feel good about that because it looks kind of reasonable. I hope it's right. I think it's right. And there you go.